Is Alidropship a legit way to earn online? Yes, it's a legit way to earn online, especially if you want full control over your dropshipping store. But it's not a plug and play money machine. Alidropship offers a WordPress plugin that automates product imports, pricing updates, and order fulfillment from AliExpress. You can build your own store or buy a ready-made one. Users praise its centralized dashboard, Chrome extension, and lifetime license. No monthly fees, and it's ideal for entrepreneurs who want their own store outright and avoid platforms like Shopify. But here's the catch: success depends on your niche, marketing skills, and traffic. AliDropship doesn't guarantee sales. You'll need to handle SEO, ads, and customer service. Some users report slow results or struggle with product descriptions and branding. It's a real business, not passive income. If you are serious about dropshipping and want full ownership, Ali Dropship is a solid tool. Just be ready to put in the work. It's legit, but effort equals earnings.